First things first, when you land anywhere is you gotta find some coffee. Could I get a blueberry muffin as well? So I should probably explain why we are in Amsterdam, and for this video I'm partnering with Atlassian. They flew me out here to host a hackathon. They asked a bunch of people around the world to build an app with artificial intelligence on the Atlassian platform. So out of the 189 submissions from people all around the world, the top 3 are here in Amsterdam, and then we will be figuring out who's gonna get the grand prize, $10,000, and then a trip to Team 24, which is the Atlassian's event in Las Vegas. So all of that's gonna happen later in this video, but until then, I wanna explore Amsterdam, and then we'll get started with the hackathon stuff.
Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you
I don't like food at all, but this one loves their little foodies and their little snackies. So today is just filled with me going to marvelous food locations. Yay!
She's a long way from suburban towns. Came to the city for the love, got her hurting now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Long way, really long way from suburbia. Small town love.
First impressions of Amsterdam is there's so many bikes here. Like, look how many bikes are around, and everyone just bikes to get around. Rain, sunshine, sleet, they're biking. Second impression is everyone's huge. I didn't realize it at first, but I couldn't figure out why everyone was so much taller than me. But apparently Amsterdam is like the tallest country in the world, and it's terrifying. I'm surrounded by giants out here. It's wild. After switching from being a software engineer to developer advocate, I feel like all I ever do is go to tech conferences, and I'm not mad at it because, like, look at that. It's just gorgeous. All right, so we're going to the Atlassian Tech Conference, and we'll see what they have in store for the day.
Seeing angels in my living room, that I've walked the sun and I've slept on the moon, covered in the face.
Watch all your videos.
Oh, thanks.
Very charismatic.
I appreciate it.
The stories coming true. Well, you see these angels see the light.
So we just finished walking through the BVB, and it's absolutely gorgeous, but we just decided to take a little load off, get some coffee here in the nice, amazing lounge. But the keynote starts in about 10 minutes, so we're about to head over and walk to see that.
Thank you for joining us. There's a lot of us here today, over 1,200 in person. A lot more watching digitally online.
The main attraction for today was artificial intelligence, more specifically Atlassian intelligence. Atlassian intelligence is essentially your AI helper within Atlassian. So you can easily use it to summarize issues, change the tone of your comments, as well as to get context on projects that have been started a lot longer than you've been on them. And if you're a developer, you can use Atlassian intelligence to do pull requests and even have AI-backed code reviews. The next main thing they talked about was for developers, and its whole idea is to reduce cognitive load, and it's called Compass, which is like a developer platform, which makes it really easy to build out a catalog of developer templates so that if you're a developer, you can quickly hop on a project and get context on the documentation, responsible individuals, code snippets, and a lot more. This makes it super easy for developers to hop on a project and create features at scale. Now, for some reason, if you're not here in Amsterdam, you can still access the keynotes and the breakout sessions on demand at Atlassian.com. All right, so you can't go anywhere near tech in 2023 without talking about artificial intelligence. I'm not an artificial intelligence expert, so I'm gonna go take a quick interview with someone who is to learn a little bit more about AI.
Yeah, awesome. My name is Sharif Mansour. I am the head of AI at Atlassian. Been at Atlassian for 14 years, so I've got to work on a lot of our products and then seeing them come together with AI most recently in the last year. So it's been a lot of fun.
So you're the guy to talk to about AI.
AI. No. There's a massive team that's making me look good, actually. So it's not really me.
Well, I'm glad you can take the credit for it, 'cause that's about to happen right here. What are the common misconceptions around AI?
The biggest one that we hear a lot from everywhere, and I think social media has accelerated this, is AI going to take my job? Like, is AI going to take my job? And it's a really good question to ask. And actually, it's a healthy question to ask. When any of these new technology waves come in, we should approach them with a stance of like, ooh, how can we best grapple with this, whatever. Again, we believe AI is largely going to accelerate what you do. You'll do more of it, or you'll get better at it.
Right.
Lots of examples of that. And then I think it'll finally help you move away from the more mundane things that are part of your job. Everyone's got mundane things as part of their day job, and it'll speed that up.
How do you see AI or Atlassian intelligence affecting the way people work?
I believe AI and humans will be interacting with each other on a regular basis, and there'll be these like little minions, little agents that you can work with, virtual teammates every day.
I love what you said about the little minions, because I'm a knowledge worker. I work remotely by myself. Gets pretty lonely, but like I don't have any colleagues to bounce ideas off of. So I always have ChatGPT or some type of AI tool to help me out.
And how do you find that? So you're just bouncing ideas, hey, I'm doing this campaign or this thing.
Ideas, making sure I have my grammar on point. If I'm sending a message to 1,000 people, I'll run it through AI, making sure like all my commas and colons are in the right spot. AI in itself has so many new things like evolving. There's a new GPT or new AI every day. How do you recommend that people stay on top of the latest advancements?
Well, I would say find the domain that you're interested in, and it's usually someone sharing about how to do it in that domain. I have a friend who's a teacher, and she's been asking me about AI and how I can use it to accelerate my work in teaching, whether it's creating a syllabus, classroom plan, activity sheets for students. And she found some influencers on social media or some writers that are talking about AI for teachers. And so I generally think whatever you're doing, Google search, you'll find someone who's trying to help you navigate how to use AI on your day job. And I really think that's the best strategy.
Love it. Yeah. You heard it from the mouth himself. Listen to the influencers that tell you how to AI. Not me, but
really cool people. Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. Yeah.
All right, just made it back to the hotel to get a little change. I never know what to wear to these things. They're always like you're wearing too formal of clothes. You're not wearing formal enough clothes. Here's a wrinkled t-shirt. But this is the fit for today. Shout out Suit Supply. All right, let's get it. So this is the hair and makeup ready room where you get ready to do your presentations. And I'm the first one here because I'm prepared. I'm ready to get started. I'm so excited for you all. I'm so excited for me. I know this is the last session of the day, so thank you for carving out some time to make it. This is going to be amazing.
Show color, so I'll be down the back.
Comfortable for you? Brilliant.
Welcome Senior Developer at Slack, Jeremiah Peoples.
To Codegeist Unleashed 2023. I'm so excited to be here. We asked teams from all around the world to build an artificial intelligence app on the Atlassian platform that revolutionizes your workspace. We asked for applications in 3 categories. It was the developer experience, collaboration, and data-driven insights. Please join me in welcoming the winner of the developer experience category, Team Ada AI.
Ada AI is your developer companion, and it even helps you out with code reviews as well as suggesting helpful fixes to your bugs. What would a code companion be if it was hard to talk to? With Ada AI, you can simply give it instructions just by writing to it.
That's 1 team down and 2 more to go. Let's hear it for the collaboration category winner, Team Tabley.
Hi, I'm Christian, and I'm showing you my Codegeist project Tabley, an app that uses AI to turn your conference pages into databases. Information is hidden in long text and formatted differently, especially if the content was written by different people and in different teams. Tabley uses a large language model to extract different types of information from your pages, for example, text, numbers, or dates, and turns them into a consistent and structured database like this one. The app can export the results to a new Confluence page or CSV file.
One of the coolest parts about this project is it's not only smart enough to create the tables, but it actually can go out and get context to fill in missing data.
We've seen 2 amazing artificially intelligence-driven applications. Are you ready to see the final application for the day? I'll take it. Please join me in welcoming the data-driven insights winner, Team GoMood.
With GoMood installed, you'll actually be able to see the mood of your customer based on the text, and you'll be able to track how this changes over time. When replying to a customer, of course you'll be able to change the tone of your speech, but you can also improve your comment by writing your reply with the customer's mood in mind. And for the cherry on top, since Loom is a part of the Atlassian family, in future iterations of GoMood, they plan to track facial expressions and also input that into the mood database as well.
Let's give it up.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we've seen 3 amazing apps driven by artificial intelligence on the Atlassian platform, but now it's your chance to vote on which one deserves the grand prize, which is, once again, $10,000 and a trip to Team 24 in Las Vegas. They're finally tallied. They're right here.
Let's get into them. In third place is Team Ada AI. And in second place, we have Team Tably. The grand prize winner of Codegeist Unleashed is Team Gomu. It's always such a wave of adrenaline right before you go out on stage and right after. I'm so glad that this hackathon went smoothly. Thanks again, Atlassian, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.